Well, hello and welcome to the Bird Monkey Show. My name is Alex, and to my current subscribers, wanted to wish you a happy new year. Welcome to the year 2020. This is the first official video for the year 2020, and I sincerely hope you had a great 2019. I hope you had wonderful holidays, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate, and I also hope that you had a great New Year's celebration as well. I'm currently in Thailand. I did my Christmas, I did my New Year celebrations all in Thailand, and it was awesome. I hope yours was awesome as well. So wanted to use this opportunity to give you an idea of some of the tutorials I plan on releasing over the next few weeks. And in 2019 I wasn't as consistent as I should be on YouTube, but in 2020 I'm going to try as much as possible to be a lot more consistent and possibly make one tutorial every single week, maybe 2 tutorials per week if I can manage it. Unfortunately, I do have a lot of students, over 70,000 now, so you can imagine I have to answer the questions, I have to create new courses, update my existing courses, so it is a lot of work for me to do, but I'm going to try and be a lot more consistent with YouTube. So coming up in this month of January, here is an idea of some of the videos I'm going to be making. The first one is just going to be a very basic tutorial on how to transfer from a local installation, mostly with XAMPP, to a live server. So if you're a WordPress student and you're building your website locally, I'm going to show you how you can transfer from local to a live server. Now, you probably might already know how to do this, but I'm making this video because a lot of my other students have asked me to make this tutorial. So I'm just going to get this done once and for all and refer to my new students to this video in case they ask the same question over and over again. Now, for Elementor users, I think you know fully well that I'm a big fan of Elementor. I've made several tutorials on Elementor, and last year actually, let me actually open YouTube real quick. I actually made an Elementor tutorial, and this tutorial actually ended up reaching more than 200,000 views. This is the tutorial right here. So it's currently on 277,000 views, and it's of course my most watched tutorial ever. So I'm really grateful that this particular tutorial really helped grow the channel to where it is today, 12,000 subscribers. So I'm actually going to be making a new full comprehensive Elementor tutorial, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek as to the site we're going to be building with Elementor. And this is the site right here. It's basically going to be a blog but using Elementor, and you can see right now this is more like a travel blog. So you can see right now I've gotten the homepage all done. We've got the blog post, latest video, we've got Instagram, the email subscription form, the footer, and so on. This is subject to change. I'm still working on the site. I'm still trying to figure out exactly the best way to demonstrate how to use Elementor. So this is still subject to change, but this is kind of like the idea of the site we're going to be building with Elementor. So stay tuned for that one. Next would be our Rank Math. If you don't know Rank Math, it's actually an SEO plugin that's gaining a lot of popularity because it's actually very, very good. I first heard of Rank Math about 1.5 years ago. I worked with it for a while, but then switched back to Yoast. But I've been working with Rank Math for a few months now again, and it's really, really, really good. So, and best of all, it's free. It's absolutely free. So I'm going to be making a full tutorial on how to use Rank Math. I think you would enjoy working with Rank Math. And then Modern Events Calendar. This is a great plugin for creating a events website, basically. So if you plan on creating a website where you sell maybe tickets to shows, events, things like that, this would be an excellent plugin for that. So I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to use this particular plugin. And then we've got the CSS Hero. This is another excellent plugin for making CSS changes to your site without having to learn how to code in CSS. So I think most WordPress users would love how this plugin works. It's really, really awesome. So I'm going to make a full tutorial on how to use this plugin. And then finally, the Ali Dropship plugin as well. I'm going to be using this possibly with Elementor. This is a great plugin for dropshipping business, and I've had a lot of subscribers and students asking me to make this particular tutorial. So these are some of the tutorials I will be making over the next few weeks. Please note that these are subject to change. I think the only 2 ones that are guaranteed to be released over the next few weeks would be the XAMPP one, which should be in the next few days, and then the one for Elemental, that's guaranteed. Rank Math, these other ones, I will make tutorials for them. I'm just not sure about the order in which they will be released, but I will make them over the next few weeks. So that's pretty much it for an update. And finally, before I go, if you haven't followed me on Facebook, I am on Facebook. It is thewebmonkeyonline.com. I'm trying to get to 1,000 likes. I'm currently on 951, I believe. So if you haven't followed me yet on Facebook, I would highly recommend that you do so. I do post tips and tutorials every now and then on Facebook. So that's pretty much it. One other thing I wanted to ask is, how do you guys feel about me making top 10 videos? Maybe top 10 plugins for security, top 10 plugins for SEO, things like that. I've shied away from making this kind of videos because I feel they're very, very subjective. My top 10 might not be another WordPress developers top 10, so it's usually very subjective, so I've tended to shy away from them. But if you want me to make those kinds of videos, be sure to let me know. Put them in the comment section below. If you have ideas for other kinds of tutorials that you'd like me to make, please put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to listen to your suggestions. So that's pretty much it from me. Thank you so much for being a subscriber, and I hope to continue to make tutorials that you will enjoy, that you'll find useful. So that's it. I'm already sweating because it's really, really hot here in Thailand and I had to turn off the AC. So that's it. I will see you guys very, very soon. Cheers and have a wonderful week ahead.